Today I am discussing about model schools and excellence schools entrance exam solve paper 2008. The first times I am discussing paper of 2021 to 2009. Uh, this link is providing of descriptions box. So now I am starting about paper of 2008. First, the difference of export and imports is called A. Options balance of trade is the right answer and most important questions right now. Second, communication services in India was started in B. Options 1837 is the right answer and important questions right now. Next, 3. The port is the biggest trade centers of India. C options Mumbai is the right answer. Important questions right now. 4. There is no international airport in B options. Kanpur is the right answer. Important questions right now. 5. Surnames Chaturbuj is related to the means of A options transport is the right answer. Next, publications of weather maps in India's commenced from the year D options is the right answer. 1875 is the right answer. And important questions right now. Next, 7. In India's maps are published in C options. Pune is the right answer. 8. The meteorological departments in India is divided into C options. 5 zones is the right answer and important questions right now. Next, 9. The line passing through the centers of India's A options Tropic of Cancer is the right answer and important questions right now. 10. In the weather's maps, the year's pressures is so with the help of B options, millibars is the right answer and right now. 11. Which which of the following temples is not in Khajuraho? C options. And the Vastars is the right answer. 12. Alha and Udals belongs to C options. Mohova is the right answer and important questions right now. 13. By whom was Gujri Mahal built? B options Mansingh is the right answer. He is situated in Gwalior in a port. 14th Mosque of Tansens is situated at A options Gwalior is the right answer and most important questions right now. This questions is many times repeats of last year's solved papers. 15th. Which of the following cities is famous for the protections of diamond? C options Panna is the right answer and important questions right now. Next, 16. कौवा का पर्यायवाची है सी ऑप्शंस दिवाटन्स इज द राइट आंसर. 17. आहार अटक का जो है ना पर्यायवाची है बी ऑप्शन सोना इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, 18. कौन सा शब्द बादल का पर्यायवाची नहीं है? सी ऑप्शंस मलयज इज द राइट आंसर. 19. कौन सा शब्द चंदन का पर्यायवाची नहीं है? ए ऑप्शंस हुताशंस इज द राइट आंसर. 20. विपंची शब्द का अर्थ है बीड़ा इज द राइट आंसर एंड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस राइट नाउ. 21. आल्हांस का अर्थ है सी ऑप्शन जंजीर इज द राइट आंसर. 22. सापेक्ष का विलोम है डी ऑप्शन निरपेक्ष इज द राइट आंसर एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज मेनी टाइम्स रिपीट्स सो right now. 23 विग्रह का विलोम होता है, बी ऑप्शन संधि इज द राइट आंसर. 24 कृष का विलोम है, सी ऑप्शन श्रांत इज द राइट आंसर. 25 संकीर्ण का विलोम है, बी ऑप्शन विस्तीर्ण इज द राइट आंसर. इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ. नेक्स्ट 26 दिए गए 4 विकल्पों में से कौन सा विकल्प वधू का सही विशेषण है, डी ऑप्शन वध इज द राइट आंसर. 27 निम्नलिखित विकल्पों में से कौन सा विकल्प महाविशेषण से निर्मित भाववाचक संज्ञा का सूचक है, ए ऑप्शन महिमा इज द राइट आंसर. एंड इनपुट एंड क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ. नेक्स्ट 28 दिए गए 4 विकल्पों में से कौन सा विकल्प प्रदेश संज्ञा से विशेषण बनता है, सी ऑप्शन प्रदेशिक इज द राइट आंसर. एंड इनपुट एंड क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ. 29 विशेष विशेषण से निर्मित भाववाचक संज्ञा का सूचक सही विकल्प है, बी ऑप्शन विशेष इज द राइट आंसर. एंड इनपुट एंड क्वेश्चन इज राइट नाउ. 30 कौन सा विकल्प भारत संज्ञा से विशेषण बनाता है, डी ऑप्शन भारतीय इज द राइट आंसर. एंड इनपुट एंड क्वेश्चन राइट नाउ. 31 इन ऑर्डर टू prospers in life, man should make best use of B options time is the right answer. Next 32 the best times to train our minds is, D options youth is the right answer. And input and questions right now. Next 33 architect of his own fate means, B option shapes his own fate is the right answer. 34 if we are not careful in early life, in late life we will suffer from a sense of, B options loss is the right answer. And important questions, this questions is many times repeats of last year's solve papers. 35 the poisoners was ... D options hacked is the right answer. 36 the rivers has ... in banks, B options overflows is the right answer. 37 the parrot ... of cold last night, A options died is the right answer. 38 he came into my rooms while I ... C options was writings is the right answer. Next 39 the boy is ... cleverest of all, B options the is the right answer. 40 he sent ... word that he would come soon, D options no articles requirement is the right answer. 31 choose the correct form of tense in the choices given below, C is ... the soap tools, C if it needs more salt, B options testings is the right answer. And most important questions right now. Next 42 Mr. Goose ... yesterday about the sample materials you wanted, A options called is the right answer. Next 43 while I was explaining how the pump worked, suddenly the electricity ... cut off, D options was is the right answer. 44 choose the correct form of determiners from the options given below ... is different from the others, B options each student is the right answer. And this question is many times repeats of last year's solve paper, so this question is very most important right now. Next 45 which will you have ... C options these or those is the right answer. 46 which of the following is a non-point source of water pollution, C options urban and suburban lands is the right answer. Next 47. Spatix tank is D options and anaerobic suspended growth treatment systems is the right answer. Next, 48. Diseases caused by eating fish inhabiting mercury's contaminated waters is C options. Minas Mita Minimata's diseases is the right answer. 49. Which of the following is not a marine pollutants? C options. Dissolved oxygen is the right answer. This question is most important, so right now. Next, 50. Nose is noises is C options. Unwanted sound is the right answer. And this question is many times repeat, so important questions right now. 51. Stars at the centers of galaxies are more. A options density is the right answer. 52. The mass of sun is A options 1.989 into 10 the power 30 kg is the right answer. 53. No of prominent stars in the Orion's, Marigas constellations. B option 7 is the right answer. 54. The satellites developed for weather monitorings and forecastings is C options. MadSat is the right answer. And important questions right now. Next, 55. When an incident's rays strikes normally at the point of incident is D options does and not deviate. 56. When incident rays traveling from rarest mediums to denser mediums is travels is its perpendiculars. B options towards is the right answer. And important questions right now. 57. The lens thicks at the centers but thins at the apex is A options. Convex lens is the right answer. And important questions. Next, 58. The colors of a transparent object depend on the colors of light which it B options transmits is the right answer. 59. The colors of an obtuse depends on the colors of light which it B options reflect is the right answer. And most important questions right now. 60. pH of pure waters is A option 7 is the right answer. And this question is many times repeats, so most important questions right now. 61. In India's glass is manufactured in A options. Firozabad is the right answer. And most important questions right now. 62. The symbol used for specific residents of a conducting wires is D options. Rojo is the right answer. 63. For dictactoplanting coppers anticiles which electrodes is used. A options is the right answer. Copper sulfate solutions is the right answer. Next, 64. The SI international units of electric power is B options. Watt is the right answer. 65. The potential difference is measured by an instrument called B options. Voltmeter is the right answer. And most important questions right now. 66. Is Fleming's right hand's rules D options. All of the above 4 fingers points towards the directions of magnet fields. Thumb point towards the directions of motions of the conductors. Central fingers point towards the directions of induced currents is the right answer D. 67. electric current used in our houses is A options. Alternating current is the right answer. 68 metals which is stored under the kerosene oil is C options. Sodium is the right answer, and this question is many times repeated, so most important questions right now. 69. Which one of the following is an alloy? B option. A options is the right answer. Brass is the right answer. 70. Which one of the following is not an alloy? C options. Iron is the right answer. 71. Corundum is an or of ... metals. B options. Aluminium is the right answer, and most important questions. 72. Lichens is an example of C option. Symbiont is the right answer. Next. 73. Herbivorous animals is A options. Goat is the right answer. And important questions right now. 74. Photosynthesis process is found in A options. Plant is the right answer, and most important questions. This question is many times repeats. 75. Pictures plants is a types of D options. Insectivorous is the right answer. D. 76. Allotrophies exhibits by C option. Sulfur is the right answer. 77. The atomic numbers of carbons is A option. 6 is the right answer. 78. Example of hydrocarbon is D options. All of the above is the right answer. Next. 79. In IUPAC's nomenclature, the suffix used for the alcohol is D options. OL is the right answer. A options is the right answer. 80. Removals of water's molecules is D options. Dehydration is the right answer, and most important questions right now. 81. The unit of resistance is D options. Ohm is the right answer, and most important questions right now. 82. The squares of an odd number greater than 1 is divided by 8. The remainder is B option is the right answer. 1. And most important questions right now. 83. The Belugar's fractions of 0.235 bore is C options is the right answer. 235 upon 999 is the right answer. 84. Non-transmitting and non-repeating decimal numbers are called D options. Rational numbers is the right answer, and most important questions right now. 85. 85. Which of the following rational numbers is a non-terminating decimals? B options. 3 by 7 is the right answer. Next. 86. The decimal forms of 7 by 8 is C options. 0.875 is the right answer. Next. 87. If 1 by 3 is obtained and adding 3 to the denominators of a fractions, and 87. If 1 by 3 is obtained and adding 3 to the denominators of a fractions, and 3 by 4 is obtained and adding 4 to the denominators to the same fractions, then the fractions is D options. 5 by 12 is the right answer. Next. 88. Fractional part of the numbers minus 6.3 is B option is the right answer. 0.7 is the right answer. Next. 89. Correct statement for the fractions 1 by 161 upon 160, 3201 upon 3200. A option is the correct answer. Next, 90. Additive additive inverse of 0 by x where x is not equal 0 is C options is the right answer. X is 0. 91 25% of 25% is equal to B option. 6.25% is the right answer. Next, 92 incomes of A is 30% more than the income of B, then how much incomes of B is less than income of A? C options. 23 1 by 13% is the right answer. 93. The difference between 2% of the 100 and 100% of 2 is A options. 0 is the right answer. Next, 94. By increasing the numerators by 350% and denominators by 300%, a fraction becomes 9 by 20, then the original fractions was D options is the right answer. 4 by 11. Next, 95. Rupees 2500 amounts to rupees 2875 in 1 upon 1 by 2 years with simple rate of interest. Thence the interest rates is A options. 10% is the right answer. Next, 96. If at the interest rates of 9% on a certain sums in the interest for 8 years is rupees 288 more than the interest for 4 years, then the sums is B options is the right answer. Rupees 800 is the right answer. Next, 97. For the same times and same annuals rate, the simple interest of rupees x is rupees y and simple interest of rupees y is rupee z. Then which of the following statement is correct? C options. Y square is equal zx is the right answer. Next, 98. If a certain sum amounts to rupees 850 in 3 years, whereas it amount to rupees 925 is 4 years at simple rate of interest, then the principal is B option is the right answer. 625 rupees. Next, 99. If the difference between simple interest and compound interest on a certain sums is rupees 288 for 2 years at the rate of 12%, then the sum is C options. Rupees 20,000 is the right answer. Next, 100 if annual rates of compound interest of 10%, then equivalent interest rates of 2 years is D options is the right answer. 21%. Now completed of papers 2008 model and excellence school entrance exams. Now upcoming exams is very most important questions this papers right now. And would you like my channels and subscribe my channels with share with friends. Thank you so much. Will you meet next video?